Hey, what's going on out there? It's Wayne with Tri County Locksmith here, and we're going to be checking out this cool Corbin lock right here. Or actually, no, this is a Keil. I'm sorry, a Keil lock right here. So let's see what is inside this thing and makes it tick. This was going to be one of those ones that I think I was going to do a lock cleaning video on if I have any stuff left here. I don't think I have any brake clean here, but we can go ahead and take this apart and see what's actually inside here and what makes it tick. See all that nasty black stuff on there. This thing does need to be cleaned out. Okay, so insert your key, turn 90 degrees. Don't get too excited there. And you're going to want to use a follower like so. Maybe. There it goes. And let's see what's in this bad boy here. Ooh, that's something to clean this up with. This is what happens when you put WD-40 in your lock. Makes a nasty mess. Okay. So let's see here. I'm not seeing anything too crazy in the key pins here. We can dump these out. We'll dump them as 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6. All kinds of nasty stuff going on in there. Let's see if we can try and at least push some of that nastiness out. Okay. Alright, so nothing exciting going on with the key pins really. Just basic kind of average. Looks like they're kind of wore out. The bottoms of them are nice and rounded. I don't know if that's wore out or if it's how they were actually designed. Looks like they're all the same, so that may be a design feature in there. Go ahead and put this back together. See if there's anything crazy in the top keyway there. Okay, so just some nasty bitting is all I really see on this. And you can see when you use that oil, it makes those stick like that. It should just fall right down into place. So maybe we can do a cleaning on this thing at a later point in time when I have some solvent. See if there's anything funky going on up here in the top. Nope. Nope. Oop. Nope. Got pins shooting out everywhere. So there's nothing too exciting going on the top. Looks like there's a key pin up there for some reason. I don't know what's going on with that. Sometimes key pins get used as top pins. Doesn't really matter too much. Makes them easier to pick, maybe. Okay. Two. Another key pin in the top for some reason. Okay, so I didn't see anything too spectacular going on in there. We'll go ahead and put this thing back together, and that's how you would take apart your Keil style lock here. back on. And that clip is only going to go in one way. So that's the only thing you have to keep in mind, is that that clip needs to go in just like that. And there's your Keil lock, like so.